Hello. In this video, I'd like to introduce a new position I've just taken on SBUX. The idea here is to capitalize on a quick earnings spike with a target price of $105. So, I'm essentially betting that the earnings report will be positive, and I've set my strike price just below that, at $105, specifically $105.50. This was the appealing risk-reward ratio that I found using NinjaSpread, and I liked it as well. Initially, I wanted to enter the position at 15 cents, but that didn't go through, so it got filled at 16 cents instead. Here's a screenshot of the fill. There isn't much time left until the earnings announcement, which will be tomorrow after the market closes. So that's what's happening now, and I'll continue from here. All right, we're back after the earnings report. SBUX opened a bit negative primarily because Fitch downgraded the US yesterday, and there's a significant sell-off in the S&P 500 at the moment. Despite that, SBUX has managed to climb. So what I've done is closed half of the position at double the price, at 32 cents. Here's a screenshot of the fill. I'm holding on to the rest a bit longer to see if I can extract even more value. Obviously, the position is now risk-free from this point, but I'm still monitoring it with alerts. If it pulls back significantly, I'll exit the position. But perhaps we can test the $105 level, and then there may be even more to gain in the remaining 2 days since today is Wednesday, and the options expire on Friday. So that's what's happened at the moment. The position has become risk-free, and I'll continue from here. All right, we're back, and it's still the 2nd of August. SBUX stock price pulled back intraday, now hovering around $102. For that reason, I've decided to close another quarter of my position. But unfortunately, I only received 27 cents for it this time. I did this to at least not walk away empty-handed if the price continues to drop. Here's a screenshot of the fill at 27 cents. I basically only have a quarter of the position left now. We'll see if they manage to pull it back up tomorrow and if I can close it at a better price. I had a good till canceled GTC order at 48 cents, but sadly we never reached that level. It was around 40 cents before they pulled it back. So that order didn't get filled. The current price is 28 cents. So I'm definitely not leaving this trade with a loss at this point. We'll see what else we can extract from it. Hopefully they'll pull it back up tomorrow and I can exit at a higher price. I'll continue from here. All right, we're back. And it's now the 3rd of August. The market opened with a slight gap down, but it seems to be recovering about 20 minutes after the open. As for SBUX, I've closed another eighth of the position at 30 cents. So now only an eighth remains open. Here's a screenshot. The fill happened a few minutes ago at 30 cents. The remaining eighth is essentially like a lottery ticket at this point. Obviously, I'd like to close it at a higher price. We'll see how the day goes. I might even decide to carry it over to tomorrow. So that's the update for now, and I'll continue from here. All right, we're back, and it's the 4th of August, which is the expiration day for the options. Things haven't improved much. We managed to open with a slight gap up, but the stock has been falling since then. So I've closed out the last eighth of the position at 23 cents. Here's a screenshot of the fill, effectively ending the position. Let's see how much profit was made. The trade closed with a profit of $107, which is slightly less than a 100% return on the initial risk. This concludes the position. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.